When I was a kid, I was always a really picky eater. In a way, I think that's almost helped me on my journey. My name is Jason Norris, and I am the owner of RecipeTeacher.com. All too often, I find that people, when they look up recipes online, as I've done many times, it can be frustrating when you come across a recipe that is difficult to understand and maybe doesn't have clear instructions. I wanted, when someone typed in how to make French toast, I wanted Recipe Teacher to come up and explain it very clearly and concisely. My key niches in Recipe Teacher are pressure cooker recipes and air fryer recipes. My air fryer pork chops are indeed my most popular recipe. Right now, Recipe Teacher gets about 1 million page views per month, which, just hearing that number, saying 1 million page views a month, blows my mind. Recipe Teacher is monetized through ads. Google and AdThrive are my partners in this process, and it's been fantastic. Having Google Ad Manager on my side allowed me to quit my full-time job. My income from Recipe Teacher is now 8 times greater than the income from my regular job. I quit my job to do Recipe Teacher full-time at the end of 2019. That first day that I was home making recipes, the feeling of freedom was overwhelming. Working for yourself is a whole new level of fulfillment that I did not know was possible. It is extremely important to me that I don't have to create a website that you need to sign up for, that you need to pay for. I don't ever want to have to do that. Once someone makes one of my recipes, it's there. They can take the recipe, they can print it, they can hand it down to their kids. So all the content on Recipe Teacher is completely free, and having the ads on there that are served through Google makes that all possible. They don't have to take out a credit card, they don't have to sign up, they don't have to do anything. Here's the recipe. But I think things with Recipe Teacher are just getting started.